We'll treat this as like Crystal Maze, okay? We got Richard O'Brien, and it's gonna be an automatic lock-in if I don't do this in, how long should we give myself? 5 minutes? You've owned your pride and joy now for 3, 6, 12 months, and those original manufacturer car mats are awful. They're starting to fray, they look tacky, they don't stick down properly anymore. 3W Auto Life, ladies and gents. Use my link in the description, 22% off. You don't have to own a Tesla. They cover pretty much every brand of car out there. Go and have a look. You might remember about 4 months ago, they sent me a full set for my Tesla Model 3 Performance. They were fantastic, gorgeous looking mats. Today, I'm gonna review them and I'm gonna show you how easy they are to maintain, and I'm gonna show you how quality they are because there's not a single scratch on them. My wife and I use this car a lot. We have 3 horses down the road. These mats get hammered. I weigh 17 stone, so when I'm pushing to get in and out of the car, they are under some duress. Roll the tape. Sassy, come here. Sassy. Welcome back to the Cribb, ladies and gents. Let me show you my full setup. Under the fruit, passenger side, driver side, in the back, no kids for us, that stays nice and clean. You might notice the front ones are quite dirty. I'm going to show you how easy they are to maintain in a moment. Boot liner, under the boot, and these protect the backs of the rear seats. Very, very handy. We've done 4 massive tip runs recently, and the car is basically immaculate. Clearly, I've just pulled all these out. Let me show you what I mean. We have not hoovered this car in ages. Look at the state of that. Because they fit so well, nothing gets down. There's basically a crumb or two. Absolutely nothing. And in the boot, even after the tip run, you can see the difference. Look, I don't have anything protecting here, so there are bits of rubbish. But actually look in where the 3W stuff lives, absolutely immaculate. Right then, cleaning time-lapse time. I'm gonna give these a brush, I'm gonna give that a little wipe over, those a little wipe over, and then we're gonna stick them back in the car. So it's basically showing you how easy it is to clean the full set, which you hardly ever have to do, and then rebuild the car. It'll take a few seconds, especially with my hint and tip of how to get the boot liner back in, because of the grip technology is so good underneath, you can't just slide it in. Right, timer, let's get us going. I will show you on the clock. And we're off. Oh, the carpets are nice and soft. Spin around, no looking at my bum. Done. Where's the timer? 3 minutes and 14 seconds. And look at that now. Let's rebuild the car and get them back in and show you what it looks like. Woo, I'm in the military. I'm meant to be quite fit. It is warm. Ah, the sun has gone away. I'm gonna challenge myself now. One-handed challenge to rebuild the car. If I can do this, you all owe me a sub and a like. That one doesn't count because it's easy. Oh, I'm never gonna be able to redo this with one hand, with the backs. Let's get the backs down. Whoop, get my bag out of the way. We'll treat this as like Crystal Maze, okay? We got Richard O'Brien, and it's gonna be an automatic lock-in if I don't do this in, how long should we give myself? 5 minutes? Oh no, the Velcro! The Velcro is so good. Right, that's pretty much it. I'll tidy it up in a bit. Woo! Next one. I'm just trying to show you how quickly and how easily this stuff works. Oh, that's pretty lucky. Go on, son. I can't get it, the Velcro is too good. 3W, your Velcro's too good. That's close, not bad. Right, next thing. I'll adjust it a bit. Right, I said you've got to do this one-handed. So to prep, fold it like that. That's the secret, okay? And then this 3W grip stuff, which is so good. One-handed, folks. Oh, in we go. Come on. I need the crystal. So I'm gonna get automatically locked in. Oh, I've got lucky there. Look at that, it's falling in the right spot. I've switched cameras. I've switched hands to my camera. Go on, leather, yes. I got really lucky there. And then you need to come around this side and just tap it in. That's pretty good. If you ever think you're a lucky person, that is pure luck, how that just went in. This one's gonna take some luck as well. Oh no, that one's gotta go under the boot. Right, in the backs. Lay her down. You can be rough like this. The material's phenomenal. Get back seats. Ooh, we're getting warm. Right, I'm gonna try the folding technique because that really worked. And then let's do that and pull, pull, pull. Get it down. I'm getting out of breath, folks, but I gotta do this one-handed. I filmed that original advert right at the start of the show one-handed. I'm pretty sure. I think it's going in. Go on, Carmax. The thing is, the material's too sticky. I'm gonna have to move the seats. I probably could have done this to begin with. This is a nice breather. Oh my God. Woo! It's like Challenge Annika. Crystal Maze was far more fun. Right, that's gonna work now. Come on, you buggers. Get in there. 5 minutes. 3W. Your mats are so grippy that they don't slide. Okay, you'll probably forgive me. That's pretty good. Need to put these seats back now. All right, and the other one. I still need to get the thing under there. Oh, what am I doing to myself? What's the clock on? Oh, 3 minutes and 17 seconds. I'm going the wrong way. I'm not thinking. I'm too tired. I need to expose the clips. Okay, there we go. I think the wife wanted to go for a run in a bit. This will do me. One-handed. Imagine if you had two hands, how easy this would be. And look at the latches, they go under so good. The fitting, I cannot stress how well they fit. Look at that. That's why you don't need to hoover. We're still going. I need to use this as my next fitness test for the military. To be fair, it's probably harder than our current fitness test. Right, woo, burn. They're in. One-handed. This needs to go underneath. I challenged myself to 5 minutes. We're on 4 minutes and 80 seconds. Up. Oh no, my stuff. I forgot. Get out of the way, Tesla kit. Automatic tyre pump. Very, very handy. Sorry, one-handed, not the best camera angle. In. Oh, it hasn't shut properly. Oh, now my leather thing's come out. I'm trying not to cheat, folks. Oh. Down, there we go. Ah, right, what was that? 4 minutes and 38 seconds. Oh, wow. Bin pile, I won't forget it. Excuse my breath, but there we go. Look how good they look. Look how good they look. And the back, that unit with the chairs, like I was doing with the tip runs, you can really push stuff in there. Anyway, folks, that'll do from me. Wow. 3W Auto Life mats. Get rid of the manufacturer ones. They're absolutely amazing. I hope you've had a bit of fun today. Use my discount code 22 up to 22% off. You'll find it in the description. I think it's CHRISHANNIBAL, all in one, all capitals. Have fun. Let me know when you buy them. See you at the next one, folks.